Those who have been diagnosed with hypertension, cardiac disorder, diabetes, or drank too much the previous day should not hike the peak.
That literally describes me, you, and everyone in our group. So, let's go.
Dude, hypertension, whatever, dude. What am I gonna die on the mountain? Okay, I've climbed bigger and harder mountains than whatever this is. I mean, I climbed Mount Everest. This is a nice mountain, though. Nice path. I don't know how plants survive being on a mountain. Hey, who's that? Why is he running? Here, kid, take an orange.
Damn! Jandro really out here struggling bad. Ha ha ha. Look at this guy. Move, fatty, move.
Jandro! We've made it, Jandro! We've done it. Jandro! Wow, what a horrible view. Are you all right? Let me help you out, bro. I'll put your stream on the tripod here. How do I open it? There you go. There you go. Oh, sorry. We're only 50% of the way done, so we got to go back down. I knew that sign meant nothing. My hypertension is totally under control. You did it, Jandro. How does it feel to have climbed your very first mountain? And now take it all in. You've earned it. The view. This is what we do this for.
Man.
No, this is amazing.
Dude.
It's amazing.
Looks retarded, ugly, stupid. Or look over there, man.
I mean, this view is way better. But this is the volcano, dude. Jandro! That's you, Jandro.
Oh, no.
And there's a little bit of land right there that connects to it.
Dude, so big he left a back titty sweat mark. Sheesh.
I don't get it. If this is the volcano, where's the opening to the lava? Grass is like growing over it, dude. The volcano must have like closed, it like collapsed on itself and closed or something. And then like grass grew over the rocks. It's like, where's the lava, dude?
You made it to the top, Jandro. Now it's time to do DoorDash some McDonald's to the top to refuel.
You look like a granny walking down that.
Shot, bro.
Oh, really? Yeah, I thought we were going to see lava. Where's the lava?
I think it's like encased. It's all like engulfed in.
Well, that's annoying. All right, well, time to go down. Just let me know when you're ready. All right.
This program was made possible by contributions from viewers like you. Thank you.